Can you say we're going to do a waterfall? Yeah? Say we're going to do a waterfall. Can you say that?
We do a waterfall.
We are doing a waterfall, aren't we? Okay. You like waterfalls, don't you?
Yeah.
Those are the cool ones, right? There, you can hold that ponytail for me. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of water, okay? There we go.
Alright.
I'm sorry. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Is it all good? Okay. That's good. A little bit of this spray. There we go. Okay. Yay. Ooh, that stuff smells good, doesn't it? What does it smell like to you?
Watermelon.
Watermelons.
No, that.
Oh, that stuff smells like water. It sure does.
Yeah. And that felt like,
What does it smell like?
maybe lime.
Lime?
Yeah.
Okay. It smells like lime, apparently.
Yeah.
Okay, can you put your head up just a little bit? Good job.
What
What is that on your finger?
Like,
What is it?
yeah. I won't play with it down here.
You can play with it, but I gotta do, can you hold this piece right here for me? Hold it. Good job. You gonna be my hair holder?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. That's the most important job. Did you know you have the most important job?
Yeah.
That's awesome to have an important job, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold this one. Can you hold this side too with this hand? There you go. Sweet. Your job's easy, isn't it?
It's easy.
It is easy. Hey, hold this hair too with this hand. With this hand. Good job.
Hey, hold them too.
You got 3 pieces of hair in your hand. Did you know that?
Yeah.
That's a lot of pieces of hair.
On put the tweezers here.
Okay, you can put them right there. As long as you're holding on to them. Okay, can you hold this one too? With this hand? Put it in this hand. Ready? I'm going to transfer it to this hand. There you go. You just got all kind of pieces of hair to hold, don't you? How many pieces are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
There's 4.
6, 7.
There's 4, silly.
Oh.
Here's another one. So that makes 5.
And where's the 6?
I'm about to get sick. Number 6. Okay?
Okay.
Number 6 is coming down.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, here's number 6. Hold it with this hand. Stick it in those fingers. Number 6.
And number
What number comes after 6?
4.
7.
7.
7. Uh-huh. All right, here's number 7. You're good at counting. What number do you think comes next? 8.
8.
8. Good job.
8.
You're so smart. Okay, here's number 9. I mean, number 8. Sorry, baby. That's what I meant. I got the numbers mixed up. Oops. Is that funny? I made a mistake. I goofed. Did I goof a little bit?
You're a doofer.
I'm a goofer? Oh, my goodness. That's so funny.
Like I'm a doofer.
Oh, goodness. Your doggies are going crazy.
Yeah. And barking.
They are barking, aren't they? Is that what dogs do?
Yeah.
Yeah. You holding those pieces really good?
Yeah.
Good job. All right.
I'm scratching my nose.
You're scratching your nose. Your nose itchy?
Hey,
Hey.
I was in that. Look,
Okay, head up.
and put hair down.
Yes, you can put the hair down.
That almost got it there.
There we go.
Mr. Tato Head, Mr. Tato. Mr. Tato Head, Mr. Tato Head,
Mr. Potato Head, is that what you're singing about? There you are. All right. We did one, turn this way, one French braid here, one here, and one over here. And now we're gonna put your hair into a ponytail. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's take this one out and put in, and we'll put in this one. You holding that comb for me?
This?
Yep. That's a clip.
Oh, I got home.
Where is the comb? Oh, the comb's next to the brush.
Where?
Do you see it?
I brought it. I holding it.
You can hold it.
But I want Mommy to give it to me.
Oh, you want your mommy to give it to you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This last one's not coming out very well for us, is it? Goodness gracious, he doesn't like us. There we go.
See, it fell down.
Did it what?
Fall down.
Did it fall down?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. We make fun to purple apple peaches. And all but
Hey, stay still. Say, this bunny's so beautiful.
This one is so beautiful.
Oh, you're so cute. Do you like your hair? Yeah? Where are we going now?
Nowhere.
Where are we going? We're going somewhere. Where are we going? Do you remember?
Maybe to a store.
We're going to school?
Yeah.
Is your bunny going to school with you?
Yeah.
Yeah? You gotta take your bunny with you? You just look absolutely cute today, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah? You do look cute, don't you? All right, let's go.
And I want what shoes.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, well, we're gonna go and take her to school.
And what shoes.
Oh, yes, and watch Trolls too, right?
Yeah.
Gotta watch Trolls. All right, well, see you guys in a little bit.